this video, I'm going to show you how to add your GitHub link to your LinkedIn profile. So the first thing we're going to do is just launch up the GitHub website and make sure you're logged into your account. From here, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and select your profile. And then what we're going to do is just copy this link at the top here, as this is our GitHub URL. Now we just need to open up LinkedIn in another internet browser. And once again, make sure you're logged in to your LinkedIn account. Click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and select View Profile. Then from here, click on this pencil icon to bring up the edit menu. Scroll all the way down to Contact Info and select Edit Contact Info. Now if you scroll down again, we'll have this option for website. Click on the Add Website button, paste the GitHub URL that you just copied, and for the website type, you can really select whatever you want here. I'm just going to click on Other and then press Save. And now if we close out of this window and refresh our LinkedIn profile, if you now click on the Contact Info button, you can see we now have our GitHub URL. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.